don't know why you think that you could help me when you couldn't get by yourself. And I don't know who would ever wanna tell the seam of someone's dream.
Hi, my name is Lucia. My name is Claudia. The Albufera is a natural space. It is a few kilometers from the city of Valencia. You can find varieties of animals. You can take boat rides and enjoy the view.
You can see dead animals in the year of extinction.
We love the Albufera because when you go, you disconnect and have some dreamy sunsets.
It's a beautiful day and I can't stop myself from smiling.
Hi, I'm Claudia.
Hi, I'm Inés.
And we are going to present
The Virgin Square.
The Virgin Square is a square located in the historical center of Valencia.
Before it was a square, it was a Roman forum.
Around the square, we can find the Santa Maria Cathedral, the Basilica of the Virgin of the Desamparados, and the Generalitat Palace.
It's called like that because in Fallas there is a virgin and the spaniels go there with in a field of flowers, and the flowers form part of the virgin body.
The girls get in line cause I'm easy, no playing this guy like a fool. Now I'm alright, you might have had me killed.
Hi, my name is Candela.
Hi, my name is Adriana.
The City of the Arts and the Science.
The City of the Arts and the Science is a cultural and architectural complex in Spain, Valencia, Spain.
It's designed by Santiago Calatrava and Felix Candela. The project began in the first construction in July in 1993.
It's a beautiful day and I can't stop myself from smiling. If I drink and then I'm by.
Hello, my name is Aisha.
My name is Ana Paola.
My name is Pilar.
We're here to present the Malvarosa Beach.
The Malvarosa Beach is very famous in Valencia.
It's located next to the city. The colors of the ocean are beautiful and you can surf in winter.
You can find a lot of sea and make a beach party.
It's the best beach in Valencia.
Would think I'll take up my time with thinking of our breakup. Then you've got another.
Hello, my name is Adriana.
Hi, my name is Noah. We are to present the Serrano Towers.
This is an important building in Valencia. In Valencia, it is located in the historical city center.
The Serrano Towers are considered the last first Gothic city in eye of Europe and were constructed at the end of the 14th century before Balaguer.
It's a part of the city fortification. The city and the river Turia forms the heart.
Me when you couldn't get by yourself. And I don't know who would ever wanna tell the seam of someone's.
Hi, my name is Alora.
Hi, I'm Alejandra.
We are going to present the Central Market. The Central Market is located in the old part of Valencia, Spain. It's considered the one of the masterpieces of Valencia modernism.
There are 1,300 stores where you can buy, such as fish, seafood, fruits, spices, meats, and sausages. It is currently proud of the largest fresh produce in the world.
This place is located with a great charm due to the beauty of this place,
the history and the tradition of the market.
And then I'm buying, and I know there's no denying. It's a beautiful.
Hello, my name is Jorge. Hello, my name is Rubén. The Turia River. The Turia River is in Valencia. You can see beautiful fountains too. People go for a walk and practice different sports, like running.
My turn to fly, so girls get in line, cause I'm easy, no playing this guy like a fool. Now I'm alright.
My name is Valentina.
Hello, my name is Nadia.
The oceanographic is situated in Valencia.
It's the biggest oceanographic Europa.
We can find sea animals and birds.
It's a beautiful place to visit.
It's too bright. I don't want to stay so long. I just want to say goodbye. It's a beautiful day.
Hello, my name is Samuel.
My name is Ruben. Les Fallas is a celebration between on March 15 to 19. Every year, hundreds of large and small fires are planted in the city of Valencia, which are the objects of admiration by Valencians and visitors Days of the crema in which there's part in paper mache.
The fireworks, the masqueradas, and fireworks are declared a popular festival international in the world. And this is the crema.
Hello, my name is Enzo.
Hello, my name is Daniel.
The paella is original in Valencia and is most famous in the world.
It's a delicious dish that was Spanish people for lunch. This is a typical Spanish dish.
The ingredients are rice, vegetables, and beans of meat.